Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 3, 5, 6, 7. Minimum absolute difference in sliding submatrix. This is a medium problem. This question is asking us for each submatrix within this given grid to find out the minimum difference between any number inside this submatrix. So since this is the range for this problem it's just a 30, which is not a huge number. With 30, we can definitely do a few more loops. Say, first loop for the rows, second loop for the columns. In this way, we can go through all the submatrix. Then inside the submatrix, there's a way we can find out the difference, which is I'll take the first row out, the next row, merge them together until I turn this matrix into a list. If I sort this list, it will be easier for me to find out the difference. Say if there are two numbers, 5 and 5, two same numbers means the difference is 0. I can stop the loop. Otherwise, I just go through all elements in this list, find out the minimum one. Say there's a 6, 7 difference is 1, and 7, 9 difference is 2. I'll pick the smaller one. This will be the solution. We're gonna solve this problem.